What are we preparing?
Momos.
Wheat momos. Everyone loves Chinese momos, and with wheat it makes it healthy. Let's start. Take the wheat flour.
We are going to add this flour. Next, we are going to add
Small amount of oil. Then salt. Chinmay, can you give me water? Yeah. Dough. Like you prepare chapati. Similarly, let's prepare this. So like this.
It has been a dough. Now let's rest it for half an hour.
We will come back to this later. So dough is getting ready. Let's
More stuffing for momos.
Yes. Switch on the. Okay.
I have turned on the gas. Now we are going to add a little of 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we are going to add garlic.
We need to be very careful.
Let's fry them for some time. Let them be golden brown.
Okay. Stop. Think it's done, Chinmay. Next.
Let's add cabbage, which I've prepared this mixer. I've added
What all?
cabbage, coconut, and onion,
Wow. Making it more healthy.
and mix it.
I think vegetables are cooked nicely. Now let's go to the next one.
Vinegar.
I'll take the vinegar. Can you please take the chili sauce a little bit?
We are going to add 1 teaspoon.
Chili sauce, please.
We'll add salt.
Yeah.
A little bit of salt to taste.
Please.
Now we are going to add a little.
Add little bit of pepper, Chinmay. Oh, yeah. I think that should be good. Enough. Thank you. So, stuffing is done. Dough is ready, and let's make small balls and start preparing the momos.
Which is going to be steamed later.
Steamed and ready to eat and enjoy. What are we making? What is the shape,
Momos.
Chinmay?
Circle.
Circle. You want circle?
Yes.
I will try.
Now let's cut this shape.
Make it into.
Perfect circle.
Right.
Take off the edges.
Okay. Now, Chinmay, can you help with the stuffing?
Now I'm going to add some stuffing in the middle.
Little more. Do you want little more?
No. Now I'm going
Momo shape. Wow. It looks like a real momo. Let's now. What is next step, Chinmay?
Now we are going to steam it.
And you can take the idli or anything for steamer and put it into the cooker to steam. And we can steam it for 10 minutes and hot momos will be ready. So we have prepared the momos.
First, let's.
What we have to put in the
Before
cooker?
that, let's add 2 cups of water.
2 cups of water. And then meanwhile I'll switch on the So let it steam for 10 minutes. Momos ready.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Thank you.